Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Chat on your Gmail desktop browser. So as you guys can see here, I've already opened my Gmail and then you can see that now the feature chat that I use currently is the Hangouts, and if you want to use Google Chat, you need to go to the settings and click on see all settings. This one's right here, and then here at the setting page. Okay, just wait. Okay, so here you just need to click on the chat and meet. Okay, so as you can see, the current chat feature is classic hangouts. You need to change it into Google Chat and then click on save changes. Okay, so the Gmail will be refreshed, and now the Hangouts will be replaced to Google Chat. We'll see. Okay, so here it is. This is the Google Chat, and then if you want to chat someone, you can just click on new chat and then okay, so you can just choose a conversation, or you can click on new chat and type in the person email right in this right here. For example, this one's, and then you can just type in your message here, hi, for example, and then send it. You can send a video, you can send an emoji or others. Okay, so I think that's all for me. That is how you can use Google Chat on your Gmail desktop browser. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.